Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find performance booster, how to optimize it, and how to use its functions in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to phone settings. Then in settings, we are looking for the About Device menu. Then we need to scroll a bit down, and here we have performance booster. When we open this here, we have some informations, and here we have options. So we can do a cleanup using this option. We tap cleanup. Of course, we have some other options here as well in the cleanup menu. We can compress applications using this menu right here, and we can also merge files using this menu right here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.